and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing another technique that you can use to increase engagement on your Twitter account. And another way to do so is by pinning tweets. Now, the first thing that you should be considering when you're pinning a tweet, your own tweet, is to make sure that the content that you're going to be pinning is something that represents your brand and your brand's core values in the best way possible. So because people are going to see it, the pinned tweet usually appears at the top of your profile. So when they visit your profile, it's going to be right here. They're going to see it at the very beginning. So you have to make sure that you're setting up a good impression, that you're setting up your brand image in a very positive manner when people are visiting your profile and when they see that pinned tweet. So in order to ensure that your pinned tweet is something worth pinning, you have to include either a quote in your pinned tweet. It can be a quote and it can be something that sets up a really good image of your brand's identity. And it has to be something out of the ordinary, something that you don't usually post. So that's why people know that it's something special and they can see it and it will allow them to engage with you. And it will allow them to see what you're about. So if we go down on our profile here, if we scroll down, you can see there are a lot of posts, but we're not just going to pin any post. We're going to pin something like a quote, something special. Here's a quote: "There has never been a better time to be in advertising, and there's never been a worse time." Now that is a very cool quote. We can use this to pin at the top. So if we go here, we can click on pin to your profile. And I'll ask you one last time, this will appear at the top of your profile and replace any previously pinned tweet. You can click on pin and it will appear right at the top. But another thing that you can consider is that you can leave a pinned tweet for an indefinite amount of time. Or you can also switch between tweets. You can pin a tweet for a while and then you can switch to another one that's of a similar theme, and you can use it to pin the content at the top. So that's how you do it. So go ahead and pin a tweet from your own profile at the very top.